Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Grok account. So if you also want to create Grok account, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grok application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Grok application has been opened. Over here you'll be able to find three options: continue with X, continue with Google, continue with email. So in order to create the account, you can tap on any option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with email. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to the browser. From here you'll be able to log into your account. You'll be able to find several login options over here. If you want to sign up for your account, over here you'll be able to find the option for sign up. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. If you also selected the email option, you can see over here you'll be able to enter the email. So simply tap on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter your email address over here. Now after you enter the email address, tap on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to provide your informations. First of all, what you have to do is enter your first name. Similarly, enter your last name. Now what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Tap on the field of password and create a very strong password for yourself. Now after you create the password, confirm the password. Simply re-enter the password. Now after you enter all the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll have to verify your email. A verification email will be sent to your email address. So what you have to do is open Gmail. Simply open Gmail app. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here I've received the email from x.ai. So all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the link over here. You'll be able to see validate my email address written. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here your email address has been verified. Now what you have to do is go back to the Grok application. Now you can see over here your account will be created. So like this you'll be able to create the account. So that is how you create Grok account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.